Okay, so for your first practice problem, you need to reflect over the bolded line. You need to record coordinates and give the equation. So this is a horizontal line. So it's going to start with y equals. What are all of my y's? They're all at 1. So this is the line y equals 1. I'm going to record the ordered pairs that I have. So x is at 1, -3. Oops, not -1. X is at 1, -3. Y is at 3, 0. And Z is at -1, -1. So hopefully this is becoming easier for you and not taking so long for you to find your ordered pairs. Now I'm reflecting from top to bottom, right? Or bottom to top. So I'm making an up and down move. So only my y's should be changing if I do this right. So my y is 1 point away. So y prime is here. X is 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces away. 1, 2, 3, 4. X prime. And Z is 2 spaces away. Connect my points. And my image got reflected up here. And my new ordered pairs for X, it's at 1, 5. My X stayed the same, only my Y's are changing. My Y is at 3, 2. X stayed the same, Y changed. And Z is at -1, 3. X stayed the same, Y changed. Remember, the first number is your X. The second number is your Y. Hopefully you did this one correctly. We have a few more practice problems, then you'll be ready to take your exit ticket.